Hello, and welcome back. I have something. I got this the other day, and I've been wanting to try it, so I'm gonna do it on film. It's Hail Mary caramel and sea salt bites. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. I hope it tastes good. And it says freedom to indulge, new package, same amazing taste, ready to eat. So I think it's like a cookie thing. Like a cookie dough-ish. Say yes to mind-blowing indulgence anytime, anywhere, or melt in your mouth. Bites are made with shredded coconut, virgin coconut oil, and good fats from nuts. These nuts? Hopefully not mine. Plus, they're dehydrated slowly for super moist, fresh taste, rich, decadent caramel, enhanced with Celtic sea salt. In these coconut bites is true sweet and salty perfection. Alright, let's check this. Let's get into this. Alright. Rip the dang thing off and it's still sealed. Let's try that again. There we go. Yeah, let's get in there. Alrighty. So there we go. It looks like a breaded scallop. Feels like a cold chicken nugget. Very coconutty. Tastes a lot like coconut. It has a little chew to it, but it dissolves. Kind of like shredded coconut. And that's pretty much what I'm getting. I'm not really getting any salt. I'm not getting any caramel. Just getting coconut. Let's try again. Let's try again. No. You ever have the donuts that have the coconut on it and that's all been toasted and whatnot, with a little bit of the little crust? So it's coconut in the crust of the donuts. This is what it tastes like. I don't taste any salt. I don't taste any caramel. It just tastes toasted coconut. That's all it is. Not bad. And it's like someone just took all the coating off the damn donut and put it in here. Hey, I love that. It's all good. You know, for something that's gluten-free, I'm actually surprised it actually has a good taste to it. I've had some gluten-free products before, and oh my god, it's like putting cardboard in your mouth and eating it. There we go. So you can get these at Sprouts. They're called Hail Mary. And no matter what they say, they taste like coconut. I don't know if I will try the other ones. I think this one might be the first and only that I do. They're $3.99. Not truly worth it, but you know, it was fun to try at least. Have you guys tried these? There's a couple other flavors. Have you tried them? Do they taste a little different, or do they just taste like coconut? If you have any ideas, let me know. But for right now, these just taste like coconut. Alright, so that's it. We're done with that. If you guys try these, let me know. You know, subscribe, share, blah, blah, blah. Like it. Also, be on the lookout. I have a Valentine's giveaway that had started yesterday. I've had a few people say they're going to do it. Some people say they're not. So, we'll see how it goes. If you want to be one of those people, something should pop up soon or already be up. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a fantastic evening. Try some snacks. If you like coconut and you don't want to just have... if you like those donuts, but you don't want to have the donut part, then get this. So there we go. That's how you do it. If you want donuts without donuts, get this. Alright. Later, guys. Toodles.